Hi guys, on to the last now of this booster box. So this is going to be 16, 17 and 18. I haven't really had a single hit yet, so I'm hoping maybe in these 3 packs we'll get something. Alright, and away we go. Energy, Mindful, Ferroseed, Gibble, Panpour, Snorlax Doll, Tinkertoon, Durant, Honedge, Oricorio, Milotic on the pack 17. Psychic Energy, Golbat, Larry, Yamask, Surskit, Crobat, Rogue, Manual, Future Booster Energy Capsule, Technical Machine Evolution, and a Toxtricity EX. It's a pretty card, and that is my first hit, I believe, on pack 17. Right, on to pack 18. So hopefully we get another one like that. Right, so there's the energy card. Blitzel, Boonsweet, Feebas, Apom, Earthen Vessel, Medical Energy, Steenie, Elekid, Gimme Cool, and the last one is a Morpeko. Thanks for watching. I did enjoy opening up those 18 packs. There wasn't many hits, but it was enjoyable and it adds to my collection nonetheless. Thanks for watching.